Welcome back to our channel, where we believe in the power of optimism and the possibility of achieving extraordinary goals. In today's video, we're going to share 7 proven ways to become a millionaire before the age of 30. But before we dive in, here's an interesting fact for you. Did you know that there are more self-made millionaires today than ever before in history? That's right. The opportunities are abundant, and with the right mindset and strategies, you too can join their ranks. So let's get started. 1. Set ambitious goals. The first step towards becoming a millionaire before 30 is to set ambitious goals. It's important to dream big and think beyond the conventional boundaries. When you have a clear vision of what you want to achieve, it becomes easier to make decisions and take actions that align with your objectives. Aim high and believe in your ability to achieve the extraordinary. Remember, a millionaire mindset begins with setting audacious goals. 2. Invest in yourself. The initial suggestion is to prioritize self-investment. Your personal development is crucial and can be reflected in your education, skills, presentation, and knowledge. To invest in yourself, you must allocate resources such as time, money, and energy towards enhancing the best version of yourself. Your education, training, and personal development should be your first priority. It's essential to invest in obtaining high-quality education and continuously developing the skills you need. By focusing on this, you'll make an investment that will pay off in the future. Additionally, investing in yourself includes allocating money and effort towards maintaining your health and well-being. Instead of overworking yourself, prioritize feeling good and being more productive in the long run. Take time to assess which aspects of yourself are worth improving now to reap the benefits later. 3. Embrace entrepreneurship. To truly fast-track your path to becoming a millionaire, it's essential to embrace entrepreneurship. While a traditional job can provide stability, true wealth is often created through entrepreneurial ventures. Start by identifying problems or needs in the market and develop innovative solutions to address them. Embrace calculated risks, be willing to fail, and learn from your experiences. Entrepreneurship can offer immense financial rewards and the freedom to live life on your own terms. 4. Create multiple income streams. The second suggestion is to avoid putting all your resources into a single endeavor. Instead, strive to diversify your income and establish multiple streams of revenue. This can involve simultaneously working for an organization while developing and promoting your own business. Exploring passive income opportunities, such as renting properties or selling digital assets, can also contribute to your financial stability. It's important to recognize that there are numerous avenues for generating income, even if they may not always be immediately apparent. While setting up multiple income streams can be more challenging than focusing on just one, the benefits can be substantial. Not only can it lead to a higher overall income, but it also provides a safety net during challenging times. By diversifying your income, you can remain financially stable if one source falters. Moreover, having multiple streams of income creates more opportunities for saving and investing, as each channel can contribute to your financial growth. 5. Save to invest, not for the sake of saving. If your aim is to achieve significant financial success, it's crucial to develop the skill of investing and allocate funds towards this objective. While saving money can provide a safety net for a certain period, simply keeping your money in a savings account doesn't generate any additional income. Investing, on the other hand, allows you to utilize your funds to create more income, ultimately bringing you closer to your millionaire goal. However, it's essential to approach investing with wisdom and make smart financial decisions. Avoid squandering your money on dubious business ventures or get-rich-quick schemes that promise overnight wealth. Instead, focus on learning how to effectively manage your finances and build a diversified investment portfolio. These are key skills for anyone aspiring to become a millionaire. 6. Don't show off, show up. Many individuals often showcase their expensive cars, luxurious vacations, and extravagant purchases on social media as a way to flaunt their wealth. However, it's important to recognize that many of these individuals are not actually millionaires. In reality, they may be spending money to rent these expensive props and locations for staged photo shoots, solely to create a certain image. This approach is not conducive to becoming a millionaire, as it involves wasteful spending and shifts the focus away from the true goal. Engaging in such behavior can lead to pressure to maintain a facade and constantly show off, resulting in the acquisition of unnecessary possessions solely for the purpose of projecting a specific image. Instead, the key is to concentrate on genuine accomplishments and meaningful endeavors that truly matter. It's essential to prioritize substance over appearances and focus on tangible achievements rather than superficial displays for social media validation. Real millionaires don't feel the need to brag about their possessions because they possess a confident sense of their status and success. 7. Seek out goal-oriented people. If your aspiration is to achieve millionaire status, it's crucial to surround yourself with individuals who share similar ambitions and mindsets. The people you choose to have in your social circle greatly influence the goals you set, the actions you take, and various other aspects of your life. It is essential to seek out like-minded individuals who are driven by goals, as they will understand and support your journey. These individuals can offer valuable advice, serve as positive role models, and provide a clear path towards success. Being in the company of goal-oriented people not only guides you in the right direction, but also opens doors to professional networking opportunities. Through their connections and experiences, they can help you forge valuable relationships that bring you closer to your goals. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals is a significant step in your path to becoming a millionaire. Conclusion. And there you have it. 7 powerful strategies that can help you become a millionaire before the age of 30. Remember, these strategies require commitment, perseverance, and an unwavering belief in your abilities. Success is not guaranteed overnight, but with dedication and a positive mindset, you can achieve remarkable results. So, start today and take action towards your millionaire dream. Remember, becoming a millionaire is not just about the money. It's about the person you become in the process. It's about acquiring valuable skills, developing resilience, and making a positive impact on others. As you embark on this journey, don't forget to give back to your community and contribute to causes that are meaningful to you. True wealth is about creating a ripple effect of positivity and using your resources to uplift others. Remember, age should never be a limiting factor in pursuing your financial goals. Many successful individuals have achieved significant wealth at a young age, and you can too. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more empowering content. We're here to support you on your path to financial abundance. Now go out there, chase your dreams, and make your millionaire aspirations a reality. Remember, you have the power to create the life you desire.